Everyone, this is Amanda Tucker with Hook'em Creations, and today I'm going to be talking about chain flying. Today all you're going to need is some worsted weight yarn and a crochet hook, preferably an 8mm or larger. First thing you're going to do is pull out enough yarn to make either a Z or S with the yarn, just like right here. Next you're going to pinch it all together, all three strands, just like that in the middle. I'm going to make a slip knot here and we're going to do the chain stitch. This is how I like to do a slip knot. I can show in other videos how I do it, but you can see there, pretty simple. Or you could do the traditional way of doing a slip knot. From there, make sure you grab the yarn that is still attached to your skein and has a loop, just like that. So here I'm going to go ahead and make a couple chain stitches to show you how it's done, and this is basically making it into chunky yarn. And okay, so we're at the end here with a loop. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take that working yarn and pull it through the loop, and there I am making another loop so I can continue the project and just keep on going. You can make it as long as you want. For the purpose of the video, I just kind of made it a little short, but that's how you do it. Now let me show you how to do it with a magic circle. Same concept, make either a Z or S shape, pinch it together, and take your yarn. Sorry, I'm out of focus here, out of the frame here, but I'm basically getting it all set up to make the magic circle. Same thing as getting your slip knot ready and start working. Alright, sorry I'm struggling here a little bit, so bear with me. I'm getting close to the end of the tail there. I have a loop. I'm going to do the same thing again. Take the working yarn, pull it through the loop, and just pull out enough that you can keep on working. And just keep doing what you're doing. It's pretty simple once you get used to it and practice it. And once again, I struggled a little bit and came to the end. So I go ahead, open that loop up, and pull the working yarn through the loop. And it's really that easy. And it's so much fun to do. When you're done with the magic circle, all you have to do is, just like you would do it with normal yarn, with it being regular worsted weight yarn, just pull that tail in and it closes everything up, and it's just that easy. Thank you for watching my video. Come back again.